unboxing myself a USB heat pads. That's how it came from Amazon. It's supposed to just plug into a normal USB outlet, like that one. This did not come with it. And it's supposed to heat up. We're going to be doing testing on it to see how hot it actually gets. The pads are kind of small. You can definitely see where the heat pads are, the heat part. Right there. It looks like it's going to be bam, 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 bam. Oh, and then it goes the other way too. It's supposed to be 2 of these. Yep, 2 of them. Looks like it comes back and then goes this way just a little bit. Has nice little plugs that come apart, plug back in. There's 2 of them, and then a really long USB cord. Looks like it goes about 4 or 5 feet, and then all you gotta do is just plug it in to make it work. When you don't want to use it, unplug it. It'll just heat up. No temperature setting on it or anything. It just turns on and goes. It does get up to a certain temp. We're going to do some testing on that to see if it works. Let's get to the testing.